enjoyed it thoroughly and got into it. But I actually learned the true meaning of what being a teacher is after being mentored by Karusina. I think it was a big change in my life, because I used to take it as, okay, I'm doing my best. But what was that best? Could it have become better? He was there to mentor each and every one of us at every step, and he had amazing ideas to share. And I am a very emotional person, and he taught me that being emotional is good for a teacher. It is something that stop it. But yes, I'm proud to say that the batches that we used to teach, or we taught, the children that we taught at that point in time, those have been the golden years of my life, and I've tried to consciously got his teachings across to the people I was interacting with later on. I don't know how far I've succeeded, but it's been an endeavor. And I really, really wanted him to be here to talk to you all.
Thank you, it's my honor.
But yes, your children, I'm not talking about your own children, your children in the class, they will turn the world around if you believe in yourself. And it's been amazing being mentored by Kansana every time, because he's never, you've seen how it was. Every single aspect, nothing was too small to be touched upon, nothing was too big to be thought of. It was everything all encompassing, and we were the lucky ones who got that kind of mentorship day in, day out. Every single moment. I remember he used to go for his morning rounds, run, and he used to forget about the runs and walk into our classes. Then stand there and observe, and then guide us after that. Observing was just one part of it. Hand-holding and guiding was something that was amazing. To this date, when I talk to you about the fans, when I talk to you about loving the children, when I talk to you about, I remember him every single day.
I'm honored.
It's an honor, sir, to have you here, and I'm happy to